today we're gonna be talking about cool animals I like. Yeah, that's the entire topic of today's video. There's no knowledge or anything. I just want an excuse to talk about some of the funny animals that I like. Now let me talk about how much I love starfish. Like, look at these things and tell me they're not at least somewhat interesting. And look at this one. This one's not even photoshopped. It's for real. It's biblically accurate Patrick Star. Now, another animal that is also aquatic that interests me is the sea urchin. And these things are interesting for a number of reasons. One, they come in different types of colors, and two, they are, for some reason, edible. But in order to really be able to eat this, you'd have to, prepare it, and it's pretty poisonous, so I'd recommend having an expert prepare it for you if you ever want to eat sea urchin. This video is probably going to be super short, but let's move on to the next thing, which just so happens to also be under the sea. I swear this is the last sea creature for this video. The sea bunny, which technically aren't a species of rabbit, but a species of slug that just so happen to have some of the traits of rabbits. They got little antennas that look like ears, which is really cute. And if you're a FNAF nerd, they come in yellow varieties, so yeah. SpongeBob can make FNAF references. Cool. That's really the only thing I can think of. I'm trying to think of a joke, but I legit can't. They can also be blue, which is also pretty interesting. They're also toxic, so you can't have the yellow sea rabbit as a pet. How sad. As much as I'd love to do this for a bunch of other animals I like, I feel like we just have to do one more and then be done. Finally, today we have the chevrotain, which is a mix between a deer and a mouse. And I found out about these through the oddest place imaginable. YouTube Shorts, of all things. But it sparked my interest when I heard that these were deer mice.